Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can complete various tasks in order to get rewards on the Bybit platform. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bybit application on your device. And if you haven't logged in already, proceed forward with your credentials and you will be taken into the homepage. Now from the homepage, you will see various different options at the top. Tap on the More button and then just scroll down until you find the Spot X section. Now within this page, you can perform various tasks, participate in airdrops, and a whole lot more to gain rewards. If you go into Puzzle Hunt for instance, you can see the various different offers that are ongoing. You can check the FAQ section at the bottom and then press the Join Now button to join your desired challenge or task. Now in order to participate, just tap on the Register Now button and then you can begin to complete the various different tasks in order to claim your rewards. Whenever each task is completed, the claim button alongside it will unlock and you can tap on it to get your reward right away. You can check out the various other tasks and drops as well to earn more crypto on top of the tradings. And there you have it. That is how you can take part in various different tasks to get rewarded on the Bybit platform. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.